Welcome back to Handyman I Am. Over the years, home technology has evolved significantly, revolutionizing the way we live. It's crucial to keep up with these advancements to ensure our homes are equipped with the latest technology for convenience, security, energy efficiency, entertainment, and well-being. From smart kitchen appliances to automated cleaning devices, technology products have made everyday tasks more efficient and convenient. Testimonials and case studies further emphasize the ease and convenience that technology brings to our daily lives. Smart security systems, including cameras, smart locks, and alarm systems, provide enhanced protection for our homes. Integrating technology for home security offers peace of mind and advanced monitoring capabilities. Smart thermostats, LED lighting, and energy monitors play a significant role in reducing energy consumption and utility bills. Technology empowers homeowners to make informed decisions and achieve substantial savings on energy costs. Smart TVs, speakers, and home assistants elevate the home entertainment experience, offering personalized settings and voice-activated controls. These devices contribute to a more immersive and enjoyable living environment. Air purifiers, water filters, and smart health monitors contribute to a healthier lifestyle by leveraging technology for improved indoor air quality and personalized health monitoring. In conclusion, it's evident that updating our homes with the latest technology is essential for enhancing our daily lives. I encourage you to explore the possibilities of smart home technology and consider the positive impact it can have on your home and well-being. Take the first step towards a smarter home today. The first step towards a Now that we've explored the benefits of smart home technology, it's time to delve into how you can get started on the journey. It's not as daunting as it might seem at first glance, and with some careful planning, you can transform your home into a smart home that fits your needs perfectly. The first step in this journey is to understand your needs. Do you want to improve energy efficiency? Or perhaps you're more interested in enhancing security? Maybe you're just looking for ways to make your daily routine more convenient. Whatever your needs may be, there are smart home solutions out there for you. Next, you should explore the various smart home products available in the market. There's a wide range of products, from smart thermostats to smart doorbells, intelligent lighting systems to advanced security cameras. Each product has its own unique features and benefits, so take the time to find the ones that best suit your needs. Finally, don't be afraid to consult with professionals. They can provide expert advice on the best products for your home and help with the installation process. Remember, the goal is to make your life easier, not more complicated. With the right research and professional help, you can easily transform your home into a smart home. So why wait? Start your smart home journey today. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of smart living. We appreciate your time and hope that you found this guide informative and inspiring. Remember, the future is in your hands. And every small step you take towards smart living is a step towards a more convenient, secure, and energy-efficient lifestyle. If you've enjoyed this video and want to learn more about smart home technology, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel, Handyman I Am. We'll be sharing more handy tips, guides, and insights into the world of smart living. So stay tuned. Until our next video, happy smart living. Thank you for watching. And please, if you like the content, smash that like button. Definitely think about subscribing for more content.